In 2025, the world of cryptocurrency has become one of the most powerful tools for generating income, not just for tech-savvy experts, but for everyday people like you and me. If you're still wondering how people are making thousands of dollars monthly through crypto, this video will unlock those secrets. Let's explore the top 5 ways to earn from crypto coins in 2025, where you don't need to be a genius or have $1 million investment, just the right knowledge, timing, and a little patience. First up is staking. This has become one of the most popular and safest ways to earn passive income in the crypto world. In simple words, staking is like earning interest on your savings. You lock your crypto coins, such as Ethereum 2, Zero, Solana, or Cardano, into a network, and in return, the blockchain rewards you. It's safe, easy to set up using apps like Binance, Coinbase, or Trust Wallet, and the returns can range from 5% to even 20% annually depending on the coin. The second method is crypto trading. Now this is a bit risky but also highly profitable if done right. In 2025, AI-based tools and bots have made crypto trading easier than ever. With platforms like Qcoin, Bybit, and Binance offering copy trading features, even beginners can copy strategies from expert traders and make profits from daily price fluctuations. Always remember to start small and use stop-loss features to avoid big losses. The third powerful method is play-to-earn (P2E) gaming. Yes, playing games can make you money. With Web3 gaming platforms like Gala Games, Axie Infinity, Revamped, and new 2025 metaverse games, users earn crypto coins just by playing games, completing missions, or trading digital assets. This is perfect for gamers and students who want to earn while having fun. The fourth way is through crypto airdrops and bounties. In 2025, new crypto projects and startups regularly distribute free tokens to create hype and gain users. All you need to do is sign up, complete simple tasks like following on Twitter, joining a Telegram group, or testing their app, and in return, you get free coins, which can be worth hundreds of dollars when the project gets listed. Websites like CoinMarketCap, Airdrop Alert, and Gleam.io provide daily opportunities, and trust me, some of these airdrops can change your financial life overnight. The fifth and most futuristic way to earn is through DeFi, decentralized finance, yield farming, and liquidity providing. While it sounds technical, it's actually becoming very beginner-friendly. You deposit your crypto into DeFi protocols like Aave, Uniswap, or PancakeSwap, and in return you earn rewards, fees, or governance tokens. In 2025, with more secure and audited protocols, DeFi has become a reliable income source, especially for those who want to beat traditional banks' low interest rates. Bonus tip: if you can create content, start a YouTube channel, blog, or TikTok account where you educate people about crypto. Affiliate programs and sponsorships can pay you in crypto coins or stablecoins. So there you have it: staking, trading, gaming, airdrops, and DeFi, the 5 golden methods to earn from crypto in 2025. But remember, the key is to learn before you invest. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and always use trusted platforms. This crypto revolution is still young, and you still have the chance to change your future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more powerful crypto content. Also, comment below which method you are going to try first. And if you want a free step-by-step guide on any of these methods, just type yes in the comments. Let's grow together in this digital gold rush and make 2025 the year of financial freedom.